Hey, today I want to do a quick review of the SkyGenius mini battery fan. So we just recently had a kid, and we want to take our baby girl on walks, and we want to make sure it's not too hot. So I was looking for a different fan that I could clip on to her stroller, so she could cool down during the hot summer months. I wanted to make sure that it was a rechargeable battery because I don't want to deal with batteries I have to throw away. And it comes with a micro USB cord that you could connect with your USB outlet. So once you get the battery in there, you'll have to charge it, I believe they say, for about an hour and a half. And then after you charge it for an hour and a half, you'll be able to click it onto your stroller. So here, you put the battery in, you can put the micro USB right here and connect it to your power source. And then you have 3 different settings that they go on, and it gets pretty strong. So it's a pretty strong battery powered fan. Really like it. So let's see how it actually clips on. So if I go to my stroller that I have here, and I have a baby trend stroller, I could clip it on right here and have it face her. Maybe not so it's directly in her face, but when I put this over and I put my hand here, I don't have to put it directly on her. You could feel the wind from the fan turning around in there. It feels a lot nicer than if it was just still air. So pretty easy to use, easy to clip, and highly recommended. I mean, it's a micro USB charger, so you could even charge it in your car if you need to, and beats having to continuously replace batteries and throw them out. So I would highly recommend this SkyGenius mini fan, clip fan, for your stroller or just for anywhere else you want to clip it onto. It's a pretty neat product. I found this on Amazon. I couldn't find this at any stores like Target or Walmart when I went to the store, so I had to buy it online, and the link is in the description. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. It's a great product, and it will keep your baby cooler. So thanks.